Is it really raining? Cause or it's just still the aftermath. Now, Google, come on, man. All these loud ass freaking cars and those badass kids. So it's cloudy. It's cloudy and it's starting to rain again. So that means I have to be stuck by her. And so so it's raining again. So Google lied and said that it's supposed to be just partly cloudy right now. Yeah, it is raining. So I have to stay over here. But she's sleeping her ass off though. I don't have anywhere else to go. So it's light rain right now. So come on, man. Modified cars. They're starting to have more of those around me. So I have to be forced to sleep over here because it's raining. That's the car that tried to splash me. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with this schizophrenic weather. So yeah, and I didn't get to use the bathroom. So, I mean, it said it was gonna rain. Then they said it wasn't gonna rain, and then they said it's gonna rain. Then they said it's not gonna rain. Very confusing. And so now it is raining, and I was trying to ask for a hotel room tonight, help with hotel room tonight, but thanks for you who tried to help with whatever you had. Thank you. I can use that for food or bus fare or probably laundry. I don't know. It's kind of difficult to try to get laundry done. And I smell bad. I stink because of them doing the forced urination and me having to pee. So I got no choice but to sleep here.